Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger. Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Hello Bicolandia, and to all the basketball enthusiasts all over the Bicol region. I'm Rick Puer, and together with me is Mark Amante, at kami po ang makakasama nyo sa bakbakang Annunciation Panthers versus Ateneo Golden Knights, at live na live nga ulit tayo dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium, and aabangan natin kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo ngayon, partner.
At magandang umaga din sa ating mga viewers live na live sa ating Bukal at Oragon Sports TV Facebook pages. Partner, ngayon ay laban na naman ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights at Annunciation Panthers. Ano kaya magiging strategy ang gagawin ng ating dalawang teams for this afternoon?
Ayan, titingnan nga natin dito kung makukuha ng Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights ang kanilang pangatlong panalo, or will the Annunciation Panthers get their first win here sa ating liga, because I know this defending champion uhaw na uhaw para madepensa ng kanilang titulo dito sa Bukal Season 6. And on the other side of things, we have the Ateneo Golden Knights na kitang-kita natin from the very start of this league. Talaga namang very consistent sila. Wala pa silang talo dito, and I'm sure preparado ito na makatapat itong ating defending champion. So magandang bakbakan ang aabangan natin ngayon.
At nakikita natin na ang preparation ng ating Ateneo at ang Annunciation Panthers ay talagang pinaghandaan talaga nila itong laban na ito sa bawat isa this afternoon, partner. And tutok lang po kayo dyan sa ating mga viewers on our online platform sa Bukal at Oragon Sports TV Facebook pages, partner.
Ayan, so nakikita nga natin sa ating screen na nag-uusap na ang coaches ang officials at ang team captain ng both teams. So in a few minutes magsisimula na ang bakbakang Panthers versus Golden Knights. So yun, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa ating mga online platforms, ano po ang hinihintay nyo? Mag-subscribe, follow, like, subscribe para updated tayo palagi sa laro dito sa Bukal Season 6 na mainit na nga dahil papalapit na tayo sa ating mga semifinals or quarterfinals round. Now, ready na mag-report ang side ng Annunciation Panthers para malaman natin kung ano ang game plan nila upang matalo ang kanilang kalaban. Now, Rain, anong balita sa side ng Panthers?
Hello, Bicolandia, and to all our live Facebook viewers here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. We are back at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium as we head on for our second match, the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. I am Rain Reyes and I am your courtside resident on the side of the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. A while ago, I was able to interview the head coach of the Panthers, Coach Ron Halmanzar, and he said they had a lot of adjustments in their trainings. With this, they are hoping their chemistry will work out in the hard court. Reminders on their offense, screens, and transitions while playing was also included in their preparation. We doubled the effort and hopefully we will have our very first win this season, as Coach Ron ended his statement. Now, will the Panthers be able to dominate the Ateneo Golden Knights? Abangan natin yan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Ito na nga ba ang laban partner na makakapagbigay ng unang panalo sa ating Annunciation Panthers this afternoon?
Yan ang aabangan natin because yun nga na banggit kanina ni Rain na itong Annunciation Panthers talagang gusto nilang makuha ang panalo sa araw na ito kasi medyo delikado ngayon sila sa standing because 0-2 on their record. So ang makakatapat nila dito is may clean record with a 2-0. So baliktaran dito sa dalawang kupunan. So a little bit of pressure on their side because yun nga, uhaw silang makuha ang unang panalo. On the other hand, this Ateneo ayaw naman magpatalo dito sa ating liga. Now, on the other side of things, let's go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights at I'm sure ready na dito si Liz. So Liz, anong balita at preparations ng ating Golden Knights?
This is the clash between the undefeated powerhouse and the defending champion. A high-flying afternoon, Bicolandia. We are back again for another game day of Bukal Season 6 Men's Basketball Seniors Division. A match between the undefeated powerhouse, Ateneo Golden Knights, and the last season's defending champion, Annunciation Panthers. I am Lizlene Habala, your courtside correspondent, reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Golden Knights. Today, the Ateneo Golden Knights are on the verge of their third consecutive win, aiming to extend their impressive streak for this season after winning against the NCF Tigers and the UNC Greyhounds. However, today may not be the same story as their path is fraught with challenges, as some of their key players, because of the intense game last week, currently face suspensions. According to the assistant coach of the Ateneo Golden Knights, Coach Mark Vasquez, they had to make certain adjustments, most especially in terms of their players' rotations. And now, some of the other players need to step up for them to win this game. With that, the question remains, will the Annunciation Panthers spoil the Ateneo Golden Knights' ambition, or will the Ateneo Golden Knights claim their third victorious win this season? Stay tuned for the next chapter of this electrifying season unfold only here on One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Bukal Season 6 for Future Rise.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Partner, nung last game kasi ng Ateneo at ng NCF Tigers, if I'm not mistaken, nagkaroon ng UNC at ng Ateneo Golden Knights last week nagkaroon ng sunod-sunod na suspension yung dalawang players ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, kaya medyo nawalan sila kulang sila ngayon ng star players or key players for this game, kaya it is a challenge for the Ateneo Golden Knights kung anong strategy ang gagawin nila para tapatan ang ating defending champion, ang Annunciation Panthers.
So yun nga nabanggit kanina ni Liz sa kanyang report na nagkaroon ng adjustment ang coach ng Ateneo Golden Knights because yun nga nabanggit mo kanina na nagkaroon ng suspension ang 3 players or star players na itinuturing on the side of Golden Knights. So medyo disadvantage on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights, but I'm sure na on that adjustment meron silang ginawa or may ipinalit na players na pwedeng mag-stand out para dito sa pagtatapat ng defending champion and the Ateneo Golden Knights, makuha pa rin ang panalo ng kanilang kupunan. So yan ang aabangan natin because exciting matchup. Merong dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights may nasuspend and ano ang gagawing adjustment. And on the other side, this Annunciation Panthers nga, nasabi ko wala pang panalo. So I'm sure gagalingan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. So yan ang aabangan natin live na live dito sa Bukal Season 6.
At lalong-lalo na partner na sabi natin kanina that Annunciation Panthers is the defending champion ng ating Bukal. Ano kaya ang gagawin na strategy ng ating Annunciation Panthers at ng Ateneo Golden Knights for this game? Yan ang ating tututukan ngayong hapon dito sa Bukal Season 6.
Ayan. Nakikita na naman natin sa ating background on the right side ang Ateneo community na all out sumuporta kahit anong laban pa ito ng Golden Knights. And on the other side, we have the junior players of this Annunciation Panthers na sumusuporta sa mga kuya nila na maghaharap dito sa loob ng gymnasium. So yan nga, magsisimula na ang bakbakan between these Ateneo Golden Knights versus Annunciation Panthers. Ipapakilala na ang first 5 for both teams.
Ayan, sino kaya ang magiging first 5 players ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights at ang ating Annunciation Panthers?
So nakikita natin dito sa ating screen ang first 5 ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. We have jersey number 70, jersey number 10, jersey number 61, 26, and 13. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila ditong adjustment because yung tatlong na-suspend is, I believe, part ng first 5 ng Ateneo Golden Knights. So haabangan natin dito ang kanilang adjustment na ginawa.
And now on the other hand, partner, ayan, pumapasok na sa ating hard court ang first 5 players ng ating Annunciation Panthers. We have jersey number 2, 27, 16, 69, and jersey number 3.
So same 5 for this Annunciation Panthers, the seniors for this squad. Let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang first ball possession ng laro. Ngayon magsisimula na with a tip-off. Now, first ball possession will go on the side of the Panthers.
Now we have jersey number 3. That is Fajardo. No good on that.
Chance for the Golden Knights here to get their first blood sa ating first quarter ng laro. Now, jersey number 26 looking for his teammate. But an early foul committed by jersey number 61 of this Ateneo squad. So maagang foul ang itatawag dito kay Domingo on the side of Golden Knights.
Ang aga nung foul na yun, partner, no? We have 9 minutes and 34 pa lang. Kakasimula lang po talaga ng ating first quarter. Now, ball possession ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Fajardo.
Now, Fajardo, the big man of this squad, chooses Alminye, team captain, looking for his teammate, and seconds to shoot para dito sa Panthers. Now, Salvacion. And now Panthers will try for that deep 3, no good. Offensive rebound para dito sa Panthers, and first blood will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Pinapainit ang partner ng ating Annunciation Panthers ang hard court ngayong hapon kahit na medyo maulan ngayong partner because of a bad weather natin na nararamdaman ngayon. And that, wow, that is a 3-point shot.
Yes, courtesy of Fulgar on the side of Ateneo. Now they are up by 1 point here sa ating first quarter. Now Fajardo Alminye. Another great pass, but no good this time. Salvacion on that rebound. Makakakuha ulit ng puntos. para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. So ito nga ang ine-expect ng manonood sa atin ngayon na talaga namang magiging intense ang bakbakan between these two teams. Two big teams dito sa ating liga.
Ang isang defending champion at ang isang
undefeated team dito sa Bukal Season 6. Another 3 points ang papakawalan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Grabe, sunod-sunod na 3 points. Now, Salvacion, in and out ball.
now Ateneo Golden Knights ball possession, but a whistle coming from our referee was given to jersey number 26 from the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Valle, matatawagan dito ng foul on the side of Golden Knights. Nakakadalawang foul na at this early point of game. Now, Hanoras to inbound para dito sa Panthers. Kailangan nila dito makapuntos to tie this matchup or even makuha ang lead.
Now, aiming for 3, no good. Now, offensive rebound. And the ball will still remain sa ating Annunciation Panthers.
Now, Hanoras ulit. Salvacion will try for that 3 at makakakuha ng puntos. 3 points.
Wow.
His own version of 3 para dito sa ating Panthers. So, first quarter pa lang nagpapaulan na dito ng 3 sa dalawang kupunan.
At ayaw talaga magpatalo, partner, nitong Ateneo at ng ating Annunciation College for this game.
The ball will remain on the side of the Panthers.
Alam mo yung suporta ng Annunciation na players from juniors, grabe. Iba yung suporta nila sa kanilang mga kuya sa seniors division.
Siyempre, suportado talaga dito para makuha ang unang laro or unang panalo ng ating Panthers sa ating liga. But may turnover para dito sa ating Panthers. Chance for the Golden Knights to score.
We have Plaza. Grabe yung depensa na pinapakita ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers. Ayaw nilang malamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Wow!
And on cue, what a defense and steal coming from this Annunciation Panthers squad. Jersey number 27, no good para doon. Sa attempt na yon, now Ateneo Golden Knights will try at this moment. Great pass, but no good. Alminia with a rebound.
Now Annunciation Panthers ball. Now Fajardo to Alminie. But a steal from our Ateneo Golden Knights. Plaza for that 2-point shot. That will add 2 points sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. 8-7 na po ang ating nasa scoreboard. Fajardo. No good on that.
Now, masyadong dikit para dito sa ating first quarter ang dalawang kupunan. Sa number 13, Fulgar may hawak ng bola. And a whistle coming from our referee here. So, foul was called on Salvacion on that last sequence. Now, Fulgar will be given 2 shots for his team.
Hindi nagkakalayo yung score natin for this quarter, no, partner. 8-7 po ang ating nasa talaan. 1-point lead. 1 puntos ang lamang. And dadagdagan pa yan ng 1 puntos, which will add 2 points. 2-point lead po sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, let's see dito kay Fulgar kung madadagdagan pang puntos. In and out ball, so no good. 2-point lead ang kailangang habulin dito ng Panthers. Now, Fajardo to Salvacion taking their time here. They need a strong offense, good offense para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Alminia to Fajardo.
Salvacion to Fajardo. No good on that. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And a back-to-back steal quarter mula sa ating Annunciation Panthers.
Now, Golden Knights will try, no good. Plaza, Offensive rebound. Fulgar. Mid-range jumper and it was good para dito sa Golden Knights.
Now, kailangan ng mag-doble sikap ng ating Annunciation banners para at least kahit pa unti-unti makahabol sa kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, magkakaroon dito ng review as requested on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. Titignan natin kung ang last touch ba doon sa bolang yon is the Ateneo Golden Knights. Yun ang hinihingi dito ng ating Panthers para sa kanila pa rin dito ang ball possession. 7-11 on our scoreboard. Magandang early game ang pinapakita ng Ateneo para dito sa ating first quarter.
Unang quarter pa lang, partner, nagiinit na, nagiging intense na agad ang ating laro sa pagitan ng Annunciation Panthers at Ateneo Golden Knights. And we would like to thank, partner, our media sponsors, our One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV for supporting Bukal Season 6. Now, here's a replay of that sequence, partner.
Let's see kung kanino ang last touch.
Hawak ni Fajardo from the Annunciation Panthers yung bola.
And let's wait on the official. So the ball possession will go on the Golden Knights. Fulgar with the ball.
Now,
Number 27.
Jacob to Domingo. Domingo to Tripulca.
Great steal coming from Alminye. Nagmamadali. Fajardo. No good. Tripulca with that rebound. Wasted opportunity para dito sa Panthers. And foul was called on the player of the Annunciation Panthers.
That is jersey number 11, Bustillo from the Annunciation Panthers. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Tripulca inbound.
Now, Fulgar looking for his teammate. Jakub, may hawak ng bola, tries that one and makakakuha ng magandang layup on that last sequence.
As in, walang inuurungan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights kasi gusto nilang mapasa kanila ang puntos for this game.
Yan. Another turnover na dapat iwasan dito ng Annunciation Panthers because they are down para dito sa ating first quarter with the remaining time of 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Now, Ateneo with the ball possession. Jakub.
At 6 na puntos, partner, ang kailangang habulin ng ating Annunciation Panthers on this quarter. No good on that. A back-to-back offensive rebound.
Now, out of bounds ball para dito sa Ateneo. Turnover on their side. Now, couple of substitution for both teams. The Tisho on the Annunciation Panthers ipapasok dito.
Panthers must take this opportunity to have a point here. However, a steal from our Ateneo Golden Knights. What a good layup from Tripulca of Ateneo Golden Knights now.
So, Ateneo Golden Knights on a roll right now, and this Annunciation Panthers, they need to stop this Ateneo Golden Knights with their offense because, again, medyo lumolobo na dito ang kalamangan sa ating first quarter. Bustillo will try. No good. The Tisho to Bustillo. Bustillo passing that one to Fajardo, and Fajardo will score.
That's good. At bumaba po ng 6 na puntos ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. But a whistle, partner.
Better offense on the side of Panthers on that last sequence. But right now, another foul was committed on the side of their team.
Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Tripulca to inbound. Grabe, nakikita mo yung opensa, partner, ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. But, a steal from the Annunciation Panthers, courtesy of jersey number 13. That's
Panthers ball possession. The Tisha with the ball. Now Salvacion looking for his teammate. What a great steal again coming from Mac Tripulca. Back-to-back steal. Now Salvacion. What a great move coming from Salvacion. Talagang pinasikatan pa nga dito ang side ng ating ADNU Golden Knights.
That's a great dunk, partner, no? From our Annunciation Panthers. And sinagot naman sila ng ating Golden Knights. 17-11 na po ang ating nasa scoreboard. Lamang po ng 6 na puntos ang ating Golden Knights.
No room for error para dito sa ating Panthers. Now, Fajardo makakakuha ng foul. And let's see one more time for that instant replay. Salvacion. What a great move.
Ang ganda, partner, nung move na yun ni Salvacion from the Panthers. Now, nagpatawag nga partner ng timeout for this quarter because medyo nakakaungos na, medyo nakakahabol na ang ating Panthers for this quarter. 17-11 po ang ating nasa scoreboard. 6-point lead po ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
So on the side of Panthers, they need to be consistent because Ateneo hindi dito binibitawan ang kanilang kalamangan. As we can observe right now, kahit nagkakaroon dito ng puntos ang side ng Panthers, this Ateneo Golden Knights securing and very comfortable with their 6-point lead. Now, let's see on this timeout kung ano ba ang gagawing adjustment ng dalawang kupunan dito sa pagbabalik ng ating first quarter. 1 minute and 53 seconds remaining. Kailangan nila dito ng magandang panapos para on that second quarter, nasa kanila ang momentum. Kung kanino man dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, Fajardo on that free throw opportunity on their side, the basket for him.
They must not, kailangan hindi nila sayangin ang opportunity na ito. Lalo na ang mga free throw shots na yan, partner.
Malaking tulong on the side of their team. But what's most important dito is bawasan nila ang kanilang turnover para sa makakuha sila ng magandang sunod-sunod na opensa dito sa ating laro. The Ateneo with the ball possession. Great block coming from Fajardo. The foul.
The foul was given to jersey number 13 of the Annunciation Panthers.
Salvacion to inbound. Now, looking for his teammate, Leticio. Passing the ball. Castillo, may hawak ng bola. 10 seconds to shoot para sa Panthers. They need this one. Salvacion will try for that 3 at nakakakuha ng puntos. 3 points para dito sa kanilang kupunan.
At naibaba partner ng Annunciation Panthers sa 3 puntos ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ito, Mark, ang kailangan gawin dito ng Panthers ang magkaroon ng good offense. That's why nakita naman natin pag ganoon ang naging gameplay dito ng Panthers na ibaba na nga ang kalamangan na kanilang dapat habulin. So
But,
again, consistency.
Hindi din pakakampante ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Kahit na may 3-point lead sila, they should work hard, strive harder for this one.
And now, foul was called on Fajardo. Rather, jersey number 13 on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. So, crucial turnover on their side. Both teams are now on penalty.
Now, we have on the free throw line, jersey number 7, Madridano. And that's good. That's a clean basket, partner. Grabe yung suporta partner ng ating Ateneo community sa kanilang mga players. Now, ball possession ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Dentisio.
Now, Bustillo to Dentisio. One more time para dito sa ating Panthers. 10 seconds to shoot. Fajardo. Magkakaroon ulit dito ng free throw opportunity para sa side ng kanilang koponan, forcing the Ateneo to commit a foul on that last play.
Fajardo on the free throw line. He must not miss this opportunity for the Panthers para maibaba ulit sa 3 ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, another free throw shot. No good on that.
Now, Ateneo, 14 or 13 seconds to shoot. Mac Tripulca, libreng-libre para sa puntos na yon on the side of this Golden Knight squad. Bustillo to Fajardo.
Fajardo wants to aim a point, but that ends, partner, our first quarter of the game between Annunciation Panthers and Ateneo Golden Knights. 22-16 po ang ating nasa talaan. Lamang po ang Ateneo Golden Knights. Diyan lamang po kayo. We'll go back for the second quarter dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And now we're back, partner, here sa Ateneo Gymnasium para sa laban ng Annunciation Panthers at Ateneo Golden Knights. 22-16 yung iniwan nating score no first quarter.
Let's see kung ano magiging adjustment dito or bagong game plan tactics on the side of this Annunciation Panthers to cut the lead on our second quarter. Now Plaza will try. No good. But the ball will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Foul was called on the player of this Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, ball possession ng ating Annunciation Panthers. We have Bustillo. What will be their adjustment? Salvacion! No good on that. And the ball will still remain sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, Bustillo to inbound.
Looking for his teammate, Fajardo, using his power to go through that defense na hawak ngayon ng Golden Knights and getting 2 points para sa kanilang kupunan. But let's wait on what's the call of our officiating officials right now on that last sequence. Substitution on the side of Golden Knights.
Now let's have a replay to that sequence, partner, of what happened to jersey number 69 of the Panthers and jersey number 21 of the Golden Knights.
So, Fajardo accidentally hit that player of this Adno Golden Knight squad. But still, point is a point on the side of this Annunciation Panthers.
Now, back to the ball game tayo, partner. Now we have, that's no good on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights now. Ball possession ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
Chance for them to score.
And chance for them para makahabol sa kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Leticio, bantay sarado dito. But the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, a couple of substitution was made on the side of the Panthers now. Ball possession ng ating Golden Knights. We have Magno there. Magno naghanap ng kakampi. Plaza. Plaza to Madridano. Aiming for 3. No good on that.
The ball will remain on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now jersey number 26 to inbound. Valle choosing his teammate. Now
the ball will still remain, partners, sa ating Golden Knights. We have Valle again. Valle to Plaza. Plaza. That's good. That's a mid-range jumper on that. 24-18 po ang ating nasa talaan. Naunguna at lumalaman ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now Bustillo and the rest of the squad needs to score. Fajardo in and out ball, no good. But foul was called on the player of this Ateneo Golden Knights. Meanwhile, ready na mag-report dito ang side ng Annunciation Panthers. What will be the adjustment? Yan ang aalamin natin sa courtside reporter ng kanilang kupunan. Now, Rain, ano ba ang gagawing adjustment dito ng ating Panthers? Take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Mark. Before the game began, the Panthers were told to stay calm and focus on playing. Avoid unnecessary fouls and be mindful of your actions. During the first quarter timeout, Coach Ron instructed them to lessen turnovers and know your positions. Find ways to counter the opponent and play as a team. And the second quarter, they sure are determined to take the lead. Let's have the willingness to win in order for us to have their quarter. Yan muna ang update on the side of the Panthers.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Kailangan nilang magdoble kayo dito, partner, para mahabol at mahabol ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And on that cue, partner, nadagdagan ng 2 puntos ang ating Annunciation Panthers.
And a great steal coming from the Annunciation Panthers. Samahan pa yan dito ng foul on the side of their team. So, maganda dito ang pinapakita ng Panthers. Pero on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, ano kaya ang gagawin dito ang adjustment? At ano ang sabi ng kanilang coach? Let's see. And let's hear coming from our courtside reporter, Liz. Anong balita dyan?
As the first quarter tips off, the Annunciation Panthers and the Ateneo Golden Knights are bringing their A game. The Ateneo Golden Knights, despite missing some of the key players, are executing a solid full-court press. However, they need to double the hustle and lessen their turnovers to maintain the big point margin lead for the succeeding quarters. During the huddle, Coach Nuki reminded the Knights to stay focused on the game. They also need to utilize their big man for them to strengthen their offensive and defensive strategies and dominate the second quarter. That's it for the latest happenings here at the court side. Back to you, Rick and Mark.
Thank you so much, Liz, for an update from the side ng ating Golden Knights. Yan, partner. Kahit nakulang ng 3 key players ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights, talagang pinapakita nila yung strength, yung lakas ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ayan, kitang-kita nga dito sa pinapakitang game plan ng ating Golden Knights na kahit nakulangan man sila ng 3, nagkaroon sila ng adjustment and right now they are on the lead with 2 points para sa ating larong ito. And 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter.
Now,
Ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. Bustillo. And another foul committed on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So it means magkakaroon ng 2 shots dito ang Panthers na kailangan nilang i-take advantage if they want to cut the lead na hawak dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
And a couple of substitutions partner was made on both teams. Now, bibigyan ng 2 free throws ang ating Annunciation Panthers. We have jersey number 11 on that free throw line. That's Bustillo.
Now, no good on his first attempt. Let's see dito sa kanyang pangalawang shot and it was basket para dito sa ating Panthers. 25-26, 1-point game para dito sa ating laro.
Naibaba na naman partner sa 1 puntos ang kalamangan ng Golden Knights now. Valle.
It's a coup on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights and Annunciation Panthers. Bustillo getting 2 points. Back-to-back points coming from both teams. Talagang magandang bakbakan para dito sa atin. Ang ibinibigay ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, chance for this Panther squad to score and a coup. Magkakaroon ng foul on that last sequence. Now, Ateneo, kailangan nila ditong i-minimize ang kanilang foul na nakocommit. They are on the penalty para dito sa ating laro. That's why this Annunciation Panthers talagang nagugustuhan ang pinapakita ditong error na nakocommit on the side of this Golden Knights.
They should minimize partner ng Ateneo Golden Knights ang mga violations or fouls.
Yes.
For them to para malamangan, para makalamang sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, we are locked to 28 dito sa ating second quarter.
What a second quarter mark ang pinapakita ng dalawang koponan. Now Fulgar choosing his teammate and tries for that in and out ball. Alminye on that rebound on the side of Panthers. Itatawid ang bola para sa kanilang koponan. Let's see kung makakakuha na ba dito ng kalamangan ang side ng ating Panthers. But a great steal coming from Jakub. And a foul was committed on the side of the Panthers, courtesy of Salvacion.
And yan yung dapat iwasan ng ating Panthers, no, partner, because if gusto talaga nilang makuha yung unang panalo dito sa ating elimination round na Bukal Season 6, they should minimize any fouls or violations.
Now, Ateneo, nakakuha na naman dito ng kalamangan coming from that free throw. Let's see kung madadagdagan para dito sa ating second attempt. And 2 points added on their side. Now, Annunciation Panthers on the offense right now and has the chance para makalamang or maitabla ang larong ito. Salvacion, may hawak ng bola. Passing the ball to Alminye.
No good on that. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Fulgar to Remoto. And that's no good.
Alminye with the ball on the side of Panthers. Fajardo to Fajardo and wow! What a great move coming from Fajardo. Again, the big man of this Annunciation Panthers need to step up big time dito sa ating laro. We are all tied up at 30. Again, nakakailang deadlock na tayo at this moment.
At grabe yung hiyawan ng community ng Annunciation at ng Ateneo kapag nagkakaroon sila ng puntos. And let's see on this replay of what happened on that moment.
Great block coming from Alminye. Now, free throw opportunity para dito sa Golden Knights. First attempt was good. Para dito kay jersey number 61, Domingo.
Ang ganda nung block na yung pinakita ng annunciation kanina, partner.
Now, back to 2-point lead mark on the side of this Golden Knights. Annunciation Panthers, they have the ball and chance right now to add their score.
Salvacion, naghahanap ng kakampi. Pero susuungin ang Ateneo Golden Knights.
What a great fadeaway shot coming from Salvacion to tie this matchup. Again, deadlock at 32. What a game. What a second quarter for these both teams.
Now, we have their Jacob. Pero grabe ang depensa pinapakita ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
And now, Domingo on his own version of 2 points to add the score para dito sa ating Golden Knights side. Now, Bustillo, heavily guarded here on the side of Panthers. Fajardo will try. No good.
Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, jersey number 23 fires for that 3. No good.
No good. No.
Offensive rebound on the side of their team. And what a connection between the players of Ateneo Dinaga. Golden Knights, that's why mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang side ng Annunciation Panthers because again, abante na naman dito ang kupunan ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Magbabalik po kami.
And now we're back here sa Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium para sa laban ng Annunciation Panthers at Ateneo Golden Knights. We are on the second quarter with 3 minutes and 28 remaining. 36-32 po ang ating nasa scoreboard. Lamang ng 4 na puntos, partner, ang ating Golden Knights.
So now, Ateneo Golden Knights, ito na naman ang kanilang mga mini runs on the side of this Annunciation Panthers naman. Kailangan nila ditong palaging makadikit sa Ateneo because we know Ateneo Golden Knights kaya nila dito mag-pull away para sa ating laro. Now, Annunciation Panthers needs to be consistent right now.
Now, we have Salvacion on that 3-point shot. Wow! At naibaba ulit, partner, sa 1 puntos. 2 puntos rather ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
It's still coming from the Golden Knights. No good. We'll try one more time. No good, but a foul was called on the player of this Annunciation Panthers. That's why 2 shots ang ibibigay on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. So kanina pala 2 points lamang yung nagawa dito ni Salvacion on the side of the Panthers. That's why 2-point lead ulit dito ang kailangan nilang habulin para sa ating second quarter.
Now we have Domingo on the free throw line. And that's no good. Now kailangang magdoble sikap, doble trabaho ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights dahil nakakahabol na, partner, ang ating Panthers. 36-34 po. And on cue, that will add 1 point on their side, 37-34. Now, ball possession ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Fajardo to Salvacion. Their communication is evident on this quarter. Susuungin. No good on that.
Now, still, the ball will go on the side of this Panther. Another opportunity para makahabol dito sa ating laro.
Now, ball possession pa rin ng ating Panthers. We have Bustillo to inbound. Almiñe for 3. No good on that. Offensive rebound, but no good.
Now, nahihirapan dito si Almiñe para makakuha ng magandang offense on their side. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights with a couple of substitution. Ranin, nasa loob ngayon ng court, losing that ball. So, the ball possession will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Now, Annunciation Panthers basketball. Almiñe. Napasobra ang hagis ni Almiñe on that sequence. And now, Ateneo's basketball now again.
Now, Ranin passing the ball to Jakub. Taking their time right now. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Golden Knights. Jersey number 10 with the ball. Makakakuha ng puntos. Beautiful layup coming from the player of this Golden Knights, Abrasaldo. Now, Fajardo with the ball at the side of this Annunciation Panthers.
Almiñe. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Salvacion.
Now, 5 seconds to shoot para dito sa Annunciation Panthers. Salvacion will try. And Salvacion will score another 2 points. Added on their side. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. Ranin may hawak ng bola. Passing the ball to his teammate. Fires for that 3. No good. Great steal coming from Almiñe. And now Fajardo.
Fajardo,
No
that's
good.
no good. Offensive rebound, Salvacion.
To Fajardo. And what a great 3 points coming from Fajardo on that last sequence dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers.
And now, partner, we are again deadlock to 39 sa ating second quarter now. Still, from our Annunciation Panthers, that's a good layup from Fajardo.
Yes. Back-to-back points mark on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Now, Ateneo Golden Knights aiming for 3 points. No good on that.
Almiñe securing that one on their side. 10 seconds para dito sa ating second quarter match. Salvacion passing the ball to his teammate. Agawan ng bola, and that's it. That's the end of our second quarter at naibawi nga dito sa second quarter ng Annunciation Panthers. 41-39 on our scoreboard. The table has turned on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. Magbabalik tayo, partner, maya-maya sa ating second half only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
And now we're back here sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium sa laban ng Annunciation Panthers and Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights sa Seniors Division ng Bukal Season 6. Iniwan natin partner ang second quarter or ang first half ng 39-41 ang ating score. Nanguna na ngayon, bumaliktad na ang agos ng alon. 41-39, napunta ang kalamangan sa ating Annunciation Panthers.
Now, let's see kung magiging consistent ba dito ang ating Annunciation Panthers para masecure nila ang unang panalo dito sa ating liga. Or will the Ateneo Golden Knights magkaroon ulit dito ng magandang momentum para makuha rin ang pangatlong panalo dito sa ligang ito. Now, yan ang aabangan natin sa ating second half. Now, we are our third quarter. Ball possession ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers, Bustillo to Fajardo.
Ano kayang mga bagong techniques ang ipapakita ng ating Annunciation Panthers at ng Golden Knights for this second half of the game? That's good from Fajardo of the Annunciation Panthers.
Now, Golden Knights ball possession. Pulgar passing the ball to Tripulca, taking their time here. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Golden Knights. No good. Almiñe on that rebound para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers.
Salvacion. No good on that one. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Plaza. Plaza to Tripulca. Tripulca to Domingo.
What a great steal coming from Fajardo on that last sequence. So magandang pinapakita dito sa pagsisimula ng ating third quarter on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. Bustillo looking for his teammate.
At lamang sila partner ng 4 na puntos at the moment. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Tripulca to Plaza, pero Plaza, no good on that. Offensive rebound.
Now, no good para dito kay Domingo. Now, Panthers on the offense right now. Fajardo, heavily guarded here by Tripulca. Passing the ball to Salvacion. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers, but Salvacion, mabibitawan dito ang bola. So turnover on their side. That's why the ball possession mapupunta ngayon sa Golden Knights.
At kailangan magdoble sipag ulit ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights on this quarter dahil nalalamangan na sila ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And para mahingi tayo partner ng update mula sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers, let's welcome again our courtside reporter, Rain. Rain, what's the update?
Hello, Rick and Mark. Commitment and consistency is important for the Panthers as we have a very close fight between the teams. Teamwork should always be observed and always stay in your position. Trust the play instructed to you and have faith in your teammate. Be aware when passing the ball. With these reminders, it gave them a way to have place in both to attack and defend. This is the Panthers ending the second quarter in victory. As the third quarter started, Coach Ron said to continue and strive to win even more. Contribute in both offense and defense. Now, will the Panthers be able to continue to dominate this game? Yan ang dapat natin abangan. That's it for now. Back to the Panthers.
Ayan, thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So Coach Ron reminding his team na maging maganda dapat ang kanilang game plan dito sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter because again, nasa kanila ngayon ang kalamangan at kailangan maging consistent ng kanyang players para makuha ang panalo dito sa araw na ito. What a great move on the other side of things coming from the Golden Knights. Domingo, swabing-swabe on that layup.
Huwag dapat pakampante dito, partner, ang ating Annunciation Panthers. But on the other side of things, let's welcome our courtside reporter Liz para magbigay ng update para sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Liz, what's the update?
Rick and Mark, we are now in the second half of the game. The second quarter ended with a 2-point lead in favor of the Annunciation Panthers as they are countering with their trademark zone defense, aiming to disrupt the Knights' shooting rhythm. Now that we are on the third quarter of the game, the Golden Knights need to perform as a team. They also need to take advantage of the weaknesses of the Annunciation Panthers. They need to double their efforts and utilize this ace for this quarter. Now they are set to dominate the third quarter using their full zone defense and their man-to-man defense. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Rick and Bart.
And thank you so much, Liz, for that update. So defense ang tinutukan ngayon ni Coach Nuki on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights because as we can observe right now, nahihirapan dito ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights to guard the players of this Annunciation Panthers. That's why abate dito ang kanilang kalaban. But on that last sequence, wasted opportunity coming from Bargayo. Golden Knights with the ball possession. What a great move. Basket count. Samahan pa ng foul dito para kay jersey number 10, Abrasaldo.
At deadlock na naman tayo ngayon, partner, sa 45 for the 6 minutes and 1 remaining on our third quarter. Grabe. Ayaw magpatalo ng ating defending champion at undefeated na Ateneo Golden Knights for this elimination round.
Now, whistle coming from our referee here. So, jersey number 7, Madridano on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights, having discussion on the referees here sa ating laro. And let's wait kung ano ang magiging decision ng ating officials. So,
now here's a replay, partner, of that moment to what happened earlier. Si jersey number 7, Madridano of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
let's see one more time. On that replay.
Nakikita mo si jersey number 7 from the Golden Knights and jersey number 24 of the Annunciation Panthers.
So, yun, kitang-kita on that instant replay. That's why these Annunciation Panthers nagkaroon ng 2 shots para dito sa ating laro and overtaking the lead para dito sa ating third quarter.
1 point ang kalamangan ng ating Annunciation Panthers on this quarter. Now, ball possession ng ating Panthers.
Now, the Annunciation Panthers may hawak ngayong isang kalamangan para dito sa ating laro. Kung gusto nilang makuha dito ang panalo, kailangan nilang dagdagan dito ang kalamangang hawak nila and be consistent with their offense and great defense kasi nahihirapan dito ang Golden Knights at this moment. Pero let's see kung anong gagawing adjustment at bawi nitong Ateneo Golden Knights. Jersey number 224. What a great basket! Grabe. 3 points ang papakawalan. So, bali yung 5 points na nadagdag dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers, courtesy on jersey number 24, Sandrino, para dito sa ating Panthers. Now, Golden Knights need to score right now
But a whistle coming from our referee will be given to jersey number 24 of the Annunciation Panners.
Now, ball possession ng Golden Knights. Fulgar, may hawak ng bola.
Triple cut. Offensive rebound.
Now, great move coming from Abrasaldo. Now, Fulgar will try and Fulgar will score to add the points here on the side of Golden Knights. Now, Bargayo. What a great rebound. 1v1 dito para sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Sumasagot ang ating Annunciation Panners. But on the other hand, a back-to-back steal from our two teams. That's good, courtesy of Fulgar. Wow.
An exchange of points for both teams. Ang gandang laro ang pinapakita talaga dito on the side of this Golden Knights and Panthers. 52-50 sa ating talaan. 2 puntos lamang dito ang hahabulin ng Golden Knights to tie this matchup.
Hindi tumataas, partner, sa 5 puntos yung kalamangan ng dalawang ito. And here's an instant replay of that sequence of what happened earlier. That player of the Annunciation.
Now, the ball will remain on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. They are now leading 2 points at this moment. Now, Bustillo and the rest of the teams need to score. Bustillo losing that ball.
Sayang ng opportunity na ibinigay sa Panners on that moment. Now, ball possession ng ating Golden Knights. Fulgar. Guardiado. Pero no good on that sequence.
2 shots ang ibibigay dito para kay Fulgar on the side of Golden Knights. Foul was called on Fajardo on that last play. Now, kailangan itong makuha ni Fulgar to tie this matchup. So, first attempt was good para dito kay Fulgar.
At naibaba, partner, sa 1 puntos ang kalamangan ng ating Annunciation Panners. Now, let's see. Deadlock tayo sa 52 on the 4 minute and 19 remaining here on our third quarter now. Fajardo.
To Bustillo, looking for his teammate. Now Bargayo. To Fajardo. Will try this time. Makakakuha ng 2 points para sa kanilang kupunan. Again, 2 points. Magkakaroon ng 2 points dito ang Panthers. Maaagaw or mababalik dito ang kalamangan sa side ng Golden Knights. Ang gandang exchange of points ang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan na ito.
Grabe. Sabi nga natin kanina, hindi tumataas sa 5 puntos yung lamang ng netong dalawang teams natin this afternoon. Now, aiming for the 3. No good on that.
Bustillo to Bargayo. Now Sandrino will try for 3. And wow! What a clean basket para dito kay Sandrino on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. But
there's a commotion out there while having that 3-point shot. And here's an instant replay of what happened earlier.
So, kitang-kita nga sa replay ang act na nagawa
ni Bargayo
on that last sequence. That's why I think the ball possession will go on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights.
But that 3-point shot is good
on
their team.
Well, a point is a point on the side of their team. Abante pa rin dito ang kanilang kupunan. Now, Fulgar and the rest of this Golden Knight squad kailangang magkapuntos because this Panthers nagkakakuha na ng magandang momentum, but on that last sequence, magkakaroon dito ng puntos ang side ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Kailangan na partner na mag-ingat ang ating Annunciation Panthers because as of the moment, they are in the penalty situation. Now, Golden Knights, nagmamadali. That's good. At naibaba ulit sa isang puntos ang kalamangan ng ating batters. Now, Barcayo on that 2-point shot. Grabe. Nag-iinit. Nagiging intense kahit na malamig, partner, ang panahon.
Yes, this is the moment for this both squad. And a block coming from this Annunciation Panthers. Foul was committed on their side.
Grabe. Ito yung laro, partner, na hinahanap-hanap ng ating mga viewers, no? Yung dikit na dikit ang puntos.
Now, let's see kung makakakuha ng puntos na makaka-add sa kanilang score dito ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights na si Domingo stepping on that free throw line. No good on his first attempt.
Now, let's see on his second attempt.
Ayan, partner. Siyempre, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa mga loyal viewers natin sa ating Oragon Sports TV, Bukal Facebook page, and One Media TV 48 Naga Facebook page. Shoutout po dito kay Daniel Aguilar, Malud Santos, Ernie Provido, Licop Chito, Kimberly Aguilar, John Carlos Sarion, Mamonong. Happy viewing po.
And shoutout din kay Jasper Abante, na isa din sa ating mga sports commentators sa Bukal Season 6. Thank you so much for viewing. Now, back to the ball game. Grabe yung offensive rebound ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights on this moment.
This time, successful para dito kay jersey number 23 on the side of their team, Remoto. 1 point lead ulit ang hawak dito ng ating Panthers. Fajardo trying and pushing that one at makakakuha ng puntos.
Grabe. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. We have their Magno.
Now, Fulgar, may hawak na bola. Choosing Remoto.
Grabe yung depensa ng Annunciation Panthers.
Now, 10 seconds to shoot, rather 5 seconds to shoot. Fulgar will try. And again, Fulgar dito makakakuha ng puntos para sa kanilang kupunan. Back to 1 point lead on the side of Panthers. But what a great connection, great pass on the side of this Panthers side. Sandrino, simula nang pinasok ito si Sandrino on the side of this Annunciation Panther. Talagang gumagaan sa loob ang ating Panthers. Nagkakaroon ng magandang chemistry. So magandang bunot dito para kay Coach Ron on the side of their team. So let's see kung magiging consistent ba dito ang side ng Panthers.
But on the other hand, partner, natawagan si Sandrino ng foul on that last sequence. Pero grabe yung tulong ni Sandrino on the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
Yes.
Now, on the free throw line, we have
Basket or Hakob on that last sequence, but mag-shoutout tayo dito. Shoutout kay Coach Tupe ng USA Falcons. Happy viewing po.
Now, let's see. If mababa ulit sa isa. On cue, partner. Naibaba ulit sa isang puntos ang kalamangan ng ating Annunciation Panthers. 63-62 with 1 minute and 2 remaining on our third quarter.
Now, Panthers on the offense right now. 54 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Salvacion, passing the ball to Sandrino, tries for that long three again.
Wow!
And what a game para dito kay Sandrino. Kakabanggit ko pa lang dito sa side ng Panthers. And a great steal coming from Bustillo. Detisio, no good. Now, chance for the Golden Knights to score.
Hakob! No good on that. But, and now, ball possession na ng ating
Annunciation Panthers.
Grabe.
Yan ang sinasabi kong habol or comeback dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Never underestimate the heart of the champion para dito sa ating laro. Yan ang pinapamalas dito ng Panthers. Now, Bustillo with the ball possession.
Pero bantay sarado siya ni Jacob, ha?
Now, 10 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter.
No good on that. Now, we have 2 seconds remaining. Libre. But, naubusan ng oras on this third quarter. 66-62 po ang ating nasa talaan. Magbabalik po kami para sa fourth and final quarter dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And now we are back dito sa Ado Gymnasium sa laban ng Annunciation Panthers at Ateneo Golden Knights. We are on the fourth and crucial quarter partner ng ating laban. 66-65. Nababa na naman partner sa isang puntos ang kalabangan ng ating Panthers.
Now, Sandrino, no good this time. Chance for the Ateneo Golden Knights here para makalamang. Plaza, may hawak ng bola. No good. Para dito kay Fulgar now. The Panthers with the ball possession. Salvacion to Alminye.
Ano kaya magiging bagong strategy nila dito, partner? Sa fourth and crucial quarter. No good on that.
Now, Panthers nahihirapan under offense para dito sa pagsisimula ng ating final quarter. Ateneo with the ball possession. Fulgare tatawid ng bola on their side. 66-65 para sa ating laro. Again, 1-point lead ang kailangang habulin.
Triple can, no good on that.
Now,
Salvacion on that ball. Grabe, sinusuong talaga ng ating Annunciation Panthers ang depensa ng Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights.
What a great steal coming from Salvacion dito sa ating laro. Now, Alminye will try, but a whistle coming from our referee here. 2 shots ang ibibigay dito. Pero, hingin natin ang side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Liz, anong update on their side?
Bicolandia, we are now down to the last quarter. The game is neck and neck with both teams battling to dominate the quarters. Though the Ateneo Golden Knights are capitalizing on the Annunciation Panthers rebounds and transitioning quickly to capitalize on second chance points, pinapatay sila ng kanilang sariling turnovers. With that, to lessen their turnovers and need to execute their game plan in perfection to extend the lead for them to win this game. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. This is your courtside correspondent, Lizlene Habala, reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Golden Knights.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update. Sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, kailangan talagang bawasan partner ng Ateneo ang turnovers nila for this quarter dahil kailangan nilang maghabol para makalamang sa ating annunciation patterns.
Yes. So kitang-kita nga dito na nahihirapan ng ating Ateneo to produce a score and committing a lot of turnovers. And on the other side of things, tawagin natin ang court side reporter ng Annunciation Panthers. Hi Rain, anong balita at update on the side of our defending champion Panthers?
Hindi pa din nga bumababa ang init ng laban dito sa hardcourt. Both teams are displaying an outstanding performance, but as for the Panthers, they are doing a great job in executing their transition defense while maintaining their offense. But of course, they will still reminded to avoid fouls and to know their screens. This is the last and final quarter. Huwag niyong hayaan masayang ang pinagpaguran niyo, sabi nga ni Coach. Now let's stay tuned if the Panthers will have their cards dealt with until the last moments of this game. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, kailangan magdoble pursige. Kailangan ng double effort ng ating Annunciation Panthers para sa kanila na ang unang puntos dito sa elimination round ng Bukal Season 6.
Now, Bustillo, Almiñe with a rebound. Fajardo, may hawak ng bola. Almiñe taking his time, fires for that 3, and this time, Almiñe makakakuha ng puntos para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, the Annunciation Panthers is on a roll right now. Let's see kung anong magiging bawi dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights at this moment. Now, Tripulca may hawak ng bola, taking his time right now, but again, Almiñe with a steal on the side of these Panthers. 1v1 para sa depensang Yoni Pulgar. But a whistle coming from our referee here.
Grabe, intense na talaga, partner. Dito sa ating fourth quarter, dito sa ating hard court ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Grabe. Ano kaya ang mangyayari sa mga susunod na 7 minuto, ng huling 7 minuto ng ating laro ngayong hapon?
Now, again, nahihirapan talaga ditong mag-convert ng point ang side ng Golden Knights. That's why this Annunciation Panthers taking advantage doon sa mga nagiging lapses on the side of this Golden Knights side. And a whistle coming from our referee here. Jersey number 61, Domingo, tatawagan dito ng foul on the side of the Golden Knights. Ball possession ng Panthers. Let's see on that instant replay
of what happened on that sequence, partner. Ayan, ang bola ay nakay Salvacion on that moment. And now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. We have a jersey number 10 to inbound. Abrasaldo. Naghahanap ng kakampi.
Now, they need this point. They need this one para dito sa ating Golden Knights. Abrasaldo, no good. Almiñe with that beautiful rebound on the side of this Annunciation Panthers, taking their time here. Fajardo to Salvacion, taking his time, fires for that 3, no good. Offensive rebound, grabe, bantay sarado. Grabe, ang mata sa bola talaga para dito kay Fajardo on the side of that Annunciation Panthers.
Yung communication partner ng ating Annunciation Partners ay visible for this fourth quarter. Ano naman kaya strategy ang gagawin ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights? And on cue, Tripulca on that good layup there, adding 2 points on their team. 75-69. 6-point lead. 6 na puntos ang kailangang habulin ng ating Golden Knights.
Now, with this 5 minute and 27 seconds remaining para sa ating laro. Kanino mapupunta ang magandang momentum at kanino mapupunta ang larong ito? Yan ang ating aabangan. Bustilyo will try at mauubusan ng oras. 24 shot clock violation was called on the Annunciation Panthers side at mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang kupunan ng Ateneo Golden Knights because they are down sa ating fourth and final quarter. Yan, ang ganda talaga ng performance ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Mag-shoutout naman tayo dito sa ating mga live viewers na nakatutok live na live sa Oragon Sports TV and Bukal Facebook page. Shoutout dito kay Ace Abad, Bertie James, Kenneth Hazareno Sabio, I believe na old player or former player dito ng Annunciation Panthers, Ernie Provido, kay Von Hernandez, Henner Graida, Gian Gabriel Tria, and Merwin Arijas. Thank you so much, and happy viewing.
Thank you so much po for supporting Bukal Season 6 only here at Oragon Sports TV. Now, while we're waiting for the game to be started again after this timeout, nakikita natin yung strategic plan ng ating dalawang koponan. Ano kaya ang magiging bagong plano ng ating Ateneo Tenaga University Golden Knights para mahabol yung kalamangan ng ating Annunciation Panthers? At ano naman ang gagawin ng ating Annunciation Panthers para mas lalong lumamang dito sa ating laro? Now, we're back on the ball game.
Now, talagang ang gandang palitan ng puntos ang ibinibigay sa atin dito ng dalawang koponan na ito ng ball possession ng ating Golden Knights, but it's still coming from our Panthers. Bustilyo. Now, foul was called on Tripulca para sa last sequence na yun. 75-69 mark on our scoreboard, and the lead is on the side of this Annunciation Panther squad. Now, Bustilyo, they need to take advantage again para dito sa mga free throw shots na binibigay sa kanilang koponan.
Now, at ano kayang gagawin ng ating Golden Knights para makahabol dito sa ating natitirang 5 minutes and 1 remaining on our fourth quarter?
Now, Ateneo Golden Knights, kailangan nila dito ang one big fight na sinisigaw ng kanilang community right now.
No good on that. And that's out of bounds. And the ball will still remain, partner, sa side ng ating Golden Knights.
12 seconds to shoot para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see kung makakakuha ng puntos dito ang kanilang kupunan. Tripulca to inbound, looking for his teammate. Now Fulgar will fire and try for that three. No good.
No good. Now Annunciation Panthers basketball, Salvacion. Si Salvacion, isa sa mga key players ngayon ng Annunciation, no?
Yes, very reliable player on the side of this Panthers. Now Bustilyo to Fajardo.
No good on that.
Now, Golden Knights on the offense right now. Fulgar, may hawak ng bola. Taking his time right now.
Sinuong ang dalawang gwardyang depensa ng ating Annunciation Panthers that will add 2 points on their score, 77-71. Bumaba ng 4 na puntos, partner, ang kalamangan ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
Now, 6-point lead ang hawak ng Panthers. Fajardo to Alminye. No good on that.
Now,
back Tripulca.
No good on that.
Wasting that opportunity para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, this Annunciation Panthers, grabing defense ang ibinibigay. That's why this Golden Knights very intimidated at this moment sa loob ng hardcourt. Now,
Bustilyo.
3 seconds to shoot para sa kanilang kupunan. And And a whistle coming from our referee here. Grabe, intense matchup para sa hapon na ito ang ibinibigay ng dalawang koponan na ito. Again, Annunciation Panthers and Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ang gandang laban ang ipinapakita ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights at Annunciation Panthers ngayong hapon. At alam kong tuwang-tuwa din, partner, ang ating mga online viewers sa Bukal at Oragon Sports TV Facebook pages. At kahit dito, yung mga nanonood dito sa Adno Gymnasium ay tuwang-tuwa. Intense ang laban. Pero,
why not? Kasi ang gandang pinapakitang performance ng dalawang koponan na ito. 77-71 ang ating scoreboard. And dyan sa score na yan, ang gandang palitan ng puntos, palitan ng magagandang 3-point shots ang binibigay dito sa atin ng dalawang koponan. So, matibay na lang para dito sa dalawang koponan kung sino ang magiging consistent, ang may less errors and less turnovers, yun ang makakakuha ng panalo. Now, nagre-replay ngayon ang ating officials para doon sa last commotion na nangyari dito sa loob ng Adno Gymnasium.
Pero as of the moment, partner, nasa penalty situation again ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. So, they must lessen their violations and fouls para hindi magkaroon ng advantage ang ating Annunciation Panthers.
Yes.
Now, what will be the verdict?
So, jersey. So, let's wait kung anong magiging decision dito ng ating referee.
And here's an instant replay of that sequence, partner, of what happened earlier. Ayan. So that's jersey number 11, Bustillo from the Annunciation Panthers. Nagkaroon ng clash, partner yung isang player ng Annunciation at ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
And now, ball possession ng Golden Knights. Pulgar, may hawak ng bola, choosing jersey number 23 on the side of their team. Remoto. Now, Magno to Fulgar. But a great steal coming from Alminye. Again, Alminye leading the team as the team captain of this Annunciation Panthers. What a great steal.
Fajardo to Salvacion. Salvacion for a 2-point. No good on that. The offensive rebound from Fajardo. Grabe. Si Fajardo, kanina pa to, no, partner? As in, inaabangan niya yung bola malapit dun sa basket.
Again, Annunciation Panthers, ang gandang pinapakita dito sa atin ngayon.
79-71 po ang ating nasa scoreboard. 8-point lead ang kailangang habulin ng ating Golden Knights.
Now, whistle coming from our referee here. So, turnover on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Ball possession ngayon ng Golden Knights.
Ano kayang pwedeng gawin? Ano kayang gagawin, rather, ng ating Golden Knights para mahabol ang 8 puntos na kalamangan na dikit dito sa Annunciation Panthers?
And again, nakita mo naman ang defense ang ginagawa dito ng Annunciation Panthers, forcing the Golden Knights to commit a turnover right now. So, last 2 minutes of the game, and the ball possession will go on the side of Panthers. Bustillo to Fajardo. 3 seconds to shoot. Now, Salvacion. No good.
Ang ganda ng communication partner na pinapakita ng ating Annunciation Panthers. At medyo nahihirapan dito ang ating Golden Knights para makakuha ng puntos.
Yes. Pero no need. No room for complacency here on the side of Panthers because 8 points lamang ang kailangang habulin dito ng Golden Knights. And now, nahihirapan with the offense ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Ball possession ulit dito ng Panthers. Alminye may hawak ng bola. 10 seconds to shoot para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, what will the Annunciation Panthers players do dito sa natitirang 3 seconds?
1 second.
Now, great steal coming
Great
from
steal.
Bustillo. Grabe, napakalikot. Napakalikot ng kamay on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. Kanina pa to. Ang init ng ating players on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. 10-point lead. Everyone ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. Now,
And let's see for this instant replay. Nung moment na yon, grabe. Grabe to si Bustillo, no? From the Annunciation Panthers.
again, we would like to commend partner the effort of all the players on the side of Panthers because all of them are contributing well para hindi makahabol dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights.
At itinaas nga partner ng Annunciation Panthers sa 10 puntos ang kalamangan nila sa Ateneo Golden Knights. 81-71 po ang ating nasa scoreboard
Yes.
with the last 57 seconds remaining on our fourth
What
quarter.
a game. And on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights squad, medyo nawala kasi dito yung magandang chemistry nila inside the Ateneo Gymnasium. That's why nagiging maganda ang pabor on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. Let's see dito sa natitirang 57 seconds kung makaka-recover ba ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights or will this Annunciation Panthers squad take this first win here at Bukal Season 6. Yan ang
Let's
aabangan natin.
After this game, partner, abangan din nila ang susunod na laban on the Seniors Division. It's ACC versus the UNC. Mamaya-maya po yan after this game. Now, back to the ball game.
Now, the ball will remain on the side of the Ateneo squad. No good. But an offensive rebound para dito sa Golden Knights. 10
Last
seconds to shoot.
shot. No good on that.
Alide
Grabe.
with the rebound and smiling. Sino ang hindi matutuwa on the side of this Annunciation Panthers because right now they are really feeling it. They are feeling this moment.
And as you can see on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, yung audience nila, yung mga junior players,
Yes.
tuwang-tuwa sa panalong ito ng ating Annunciation Panthers
What a
senior.
game. And what a comeback para sa
Uh-huh.
ating defending champion. Again, nasabi ko nga kanina na uhaw manalo or uhaw makuha ang panalo at this moment.
And sabi mo nga kanina, partner, don't underestimate the
Yes.
defending champion. And now, Bustillo on the free throw line.
Another 1 point added on the side of their team and that's it, I think, for this game. The Annunciation Panthers. No, meron pa tayong natitirang 10 seconds para sa ating laro and the ball will remain on their side.
Now we have Bustillo to inbound. And I think that ends.
This
partner.
is the moment para sa ating Annunciation Panthers. 82-71 on our scoreboard. What a win coming from our defending champion, winning this for the Ateneo Golden Knights. Nakakuha na dito ang Ateneo Golden Knights ng unang talo at ang ating defending champion ng unang panalo. Ang gandang performance na pinakita ng dalawang koponan nito. So don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Indeed, a winning and proud moment from the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon because as you all know, their opponent today had a 2-0 standing but they were still able to dominate the Ateneo Golden Knights, the winners of this match, the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. Now the best player of the game is brought to you by Gardens Cafe, offers peaceful escape in a lush garden setting. Now with me is the best player of the game, jersey number 69 with 22 points, 9 rebounds, 1 assist, and 1 steal, Mr. Mark Ernest Fajardo. So congratulations. Ikwento mo naman sa amin kung ano ba ang naging motivation ng Panthers for this game.
Una-una sa lahat, syempre nagpapasalamat kami sa Panginoon kasi dahil sa dalawang sunod na pagkatalo, yun ang motivation namin. Kaya nag-ensayo talaga kami, pinaghandaan namin to. Kaya yun, thank you.
And how are you feeling now that you are the best player of the game?
Siyempre masaya kasi nakuha namin yung unang panalo. Yun nga, talagang pinaghanda namin yung kasi dalawang sunod na pagkatalo kaya nagbawi talaga kami lahat.
Now I am giving you the floor na magpasalamat sa supporters and fans ng Panthers.
Una-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa kala Ma'am Jean na walang sawang suporta, kala Madam, kala Coach Van, Coach Pilong, sa family ko sa Bulan, kala Mama, Papa, Ate, Tito. Saka sa lahat na nagsusuporta sa Sorsogon, sa Annunciation, saka sa girlfriend ko, kay Leah.
So thank you and congratulations. Once again, Mark Ernest Fajardo with 22 points, 9 rebounds, 1 assist, and 1 steal. This has been Rain Reyes, the courtside resident of the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And that's it. Nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game, none other than Ernest Fajardo, na talaga namang nagpakita ng magandang bounce back para sa kanilang kupunan at natalo ang undefeated. Pero ngayon may talo na yung Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. So kudos to both teams for showing us great inside this hard court.
And their dedication in the basketball in this game is evident ngayon sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Mamaya, abangan nila after this live stream. Abangan po ninyo ang laban ng ACC at UNC sa Seniors Division.
Another great matchup na aabangan maya-maya. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Mark Christian Amante. Tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.